Bob Boldt HVAC proudly serves Burnsville, Minnesota 55306, offering top-quality heating and cooling services for homes and businesses. Specializing in HVAC installation, repair, and maintenance, our experienced technicians ensure your furnace and air conditioning systems run efficiently year-round. Whether you need a quick repair, routine maintenance, or a full system replacement, we provide reliable and energy-efficient solutions tailored to your needs. With a commitment to exceptional customer service and high-quality workmanship, Bob Boldt HVAC is the trusted choice for all your heating and cooling needs in Burnsville, Minnesota. Contact us today about Bob Boldt HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. What HVAC services does Bob Boldt HVAC provide in Burnsville, Minnesota 55306? Bob Boldt HVAC offers comprehensive heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services in Burnsville, MN, including HVAC installation, repair, maintenance, and replacements for furnaces, air conditioners, heat pumps, and duct systems. How can I schedule HVAC service with Bob Boldt HVAC in Burnsville, Minnesota 55306? You can schedule a service appointment with Bob Boldt HVAC by calling their office or using the online booking system on their website. Same-day services may also be available for urgent needs. What is your Bob Boldt HVAC service office for Burnsville, Minnesota? Our local Bob Boldt HVAC contractors office have served the areas of Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Minnesota. Where is your Bob Boldt HVAC office? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-3050. Visit our website, https://bobbots.com/Burnsville HVAC/